Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Catecoin. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website Catecoin, cat.meme, the cat vision of Doge born from the same pure meme energy that turned a Shiba Inu into a global phenomena. She is the feline answer to the internet favorite Dogecoin. No complicated roadmap, no fake utility promises, just the classic Doge versus Cat rivalry played out on the blockchains. It is community-driven meme coin through Cat coin token. Total supply is 964.17 million and circulating supply is also 964.17 million Cat coin. Cat coin is listed on MEXC, BingX, LBank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.